Hello everybody, this is Husky10. I'm here with another devlog for Bad Attack Remastered. I'm gonna show you gameplay, all of the remastered gameplay. It's going to be complete with animations and cutscenes and all that. The logo I did, all the cutscenes were made in PowerPoint. All the cutscenes were done in PowerPoint. So when you change score, change this cutscene, you use the arrow keys. Each scene requires 10. It requires 10 more of each cutscene. I am not good As you can also see, I'm not good I suck at this. Okay, I might have found Okay, see, and the whole thing is you're going around the screen. As you can tell, I suck at my own game. I was so close. The score for the last round is 80 points. I was so close. Biggest complaint with the prototype, which was Space Age was too easy. And now I made it kind of too hard. Yeah, but if I can beat this. Ooh, life. See, this is what happens, and now you get to the final form, which is go for the high score, which is practically for the final level, though, I'm gonna say I'm gonna have it go back. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete the replay button. I'm gonna go to the, hang on, I want to check one thing, make sure it, there, okay, it didn't remove from, okay, so when the game 5, when it goes to the game over for game 5, I'm gonna change the quit, I'm gonna change this to change the scene, and I'm gonna go to mode select. So that way, and I am also going to move all this down to here, play. Okay, something's not right, so I need to get rid of this, so let's see if that helps. Okay, there we go, it went to the mode select. For some reason it's not. Okay, there we go. The mode select, I was gonna have a simple screen like this. Yeah. There's not a whole lot I want to do with the mode, so I'm going to go to the menu. I'm going to add something. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to add a ship. Yeah, okay, I'm going to delete that too. Downloads, spaceship. Hit apply. So now we got this. Alright, now I'm gonna add the bat. Okay, where's the bat? Okay, there we go. Hit apply. apply. I'm gonna insert it here. And I'm gonna loop it so that way it's animated. I'm also gonna add another sprite. This time I'm gonna go into the game file and I'm going to select, okay, I'm gonna select, that's on the slide. I'm gonna select that. And I'm gonna put that there. So now we have a somewhat better looking splash screen. I don't know if the animation was a good move. So you hit play. Okay, I gotta change one more thing. For some reason that worked. I'm gonna get rid of all these. I'm also gonna go to game cuts master and see what happens. There we go, that's good. I need this to go to mode. So now when we select it, it goes to the mode. I don't think the arrow was good. I don't think the arrow's good. I'm gonna save it quick though. So in the mode select, I'm just going to change the animation. Yeah, so what I had was it pointing at it, and that kind of ruined, I think it ruined the effect, so I'm just gonna change the color to, let's make it that color. There's going to be a impossible mode, a retro mode, a classic mode, and a remastered mode. Now I wanna address something that someone asked. Let me see if I can find the comments. Let me see if I can find the comments. The comment was, okay. Sorry about that. My computer has this thing, if you so much as unplug the headphones that I'm using to record, it will stop recording. So I gotta keep in mind to keep off of it. Now anyway, someone wanted to know if I will add exploration when kill things. Elaborate? I'm not gonna add exploration. I'm just not gonna do that. I am trying right now to change one of the sprites. I am adding the heart. I'm adding a new sprite for the plus life. This is gonna take a little bit, especially since I don't talk a lot when I'm editing. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh. I didn't. There we go. There we go. Now I just need to do that to everything else. So yeah, it's gonna take a while. Alright, close this. Okay. Just gotta do that 2 more times. The reason I'm not doing this open world is because I think it would ruin the version of this. I think it would ruin the feel, because I'm going for an arcade feel. I'm not looking for an exploration feel, kind of. If you want, you can watch my previous videos and make one of your own where you can include other things. You can make this your own. I do show you how to do it in some of my videos to show you how to make it this type of game. I think it's easier to tell. Now I'm done with the remastered. I can do other things now. I'm gonna go ahead. Okay. Oh shit. For those who have been following along this devlog, for those who have been following along, with the trailers and all that, this game will eventually be polished. Okay, for some reason. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna do it a different way. I'm gonna upload the image. And see what that does. Okay, download. Now I'm gonna crop it twice. It's hard to do without the white background. Alright, I'm gonna do it again. This time to the other part of the button. That's all I need for now. I'm going to open up the select mode. Okay, delete. Okay, for some reason. Okay, I'm just gonna delete this. I'm gonna edit and I'm gonna create my own buttons. This button method is not working. There we go. That looks a lot better. I'm also going to add, let's cancel. I don't want that. I'm going to add a new text box. I'm going to use this. Addition. Hit apply. I'm gonna color this one. Let's color it purple. Hit apply. There we go. Let's push play. And we have a remastered edition. But so I'm gonna name this after button. Okay, I spelled that wrong. And I still spelled it wrong. Oh my gosh. There we go. Awesome. And we have liftoff. There's a quit button and a play button so far. This is how it stands so far. There's a play button. There's a remastered mode. Alright, see. I'm gonna first quit. There's no menu button first. I have to make I might make a menu button, I don't know. Or you can just play through the whole game. But that's the remastered edition. The remastered edition has 5 levels. I'm going to be making the classic version next. In a little bit, I'm going to make it later. I'm going to save it, rename this. And I have a working remastered edition version of my game. Later I am going to add, like I said, I'm going to add a classic edition. For some of you who don't know, this is the game I'm basing it off of, if I can find it. This is the classic edition. The classic version will be played on this. This was the original. I made from scratch. See, the classic edition will have the square, the circle ball, lasers. The only thing that will be changed is the bats. This was my first game with graphics. It wasn't my first game. My first game was a text-based game. This was my first one ever made with graphics using my first one using a game engine. It was made in scratch. I don't know if I there will be a remastered version. So what I'm going to do for the remastered version, I'm going to duplicate the first level. I'm gonna move it all the way down. So that way I have everything in order and nicely organized. I'm gonna rename this original. Original game. I'm also going to duplicate the game over for it. Yeah, this is the most time-consuming part of making this game. I'm gonna rename it Original Game Over. And let's get to work on the original game. This one, if the bats are touching the player, I'm gonna change it to Game Over Original. I don't want this. What else did I want to do? Oh, I also want to change the sprite, so cancel, delete, cancel. The original sprite was purple, so okay, so what I need to do now. Alright, so I want one thing. I want all game overs. Instead of putting game, I want to change the scene to the mode select. I want to change this scene back to original game. So let me go back to all of the game overs. All the game overs and change this to mode. I'm doing that now so I don't forget about it later, because I don't have the best memory. This could get rather boring. And Game Over 5 just has to put C. So let's test the entire. So I'm gonna go into mode select. I'm gonna duplicate this. I'm gonna call it original mode button. There we go. pull that out and make sure it's like that. I'm gonna add a new text. I'm gonna call it original title. I'm gonna color it. I think it was that color. Alright, so I'm gonna add a new group. This, change the scene to the original game. So let's see what happens. There we go, we have working buttons. Alright, let me test this. Wait a sec. What the hell? Something's not right, so master game 1. Let me see what happened. Something went wrong. Okay, there. So I don't know if I'm going to do that, so let me see what happens. Okay, and now we need an insane mode. We are going to be building an insane mode. I'm going to save this though, and I'm going to call it quits for the night. I'm gonna probably build insane mode off camera to keep that hidden, cause I don't want anybody else to know it. So here